Looking 4G pitch here, and it's safe to say this place isn't as shithole as I thought it would be. Welcome, Bull's Noise number 4, and done one for a while. Today we are at Oxford City in Oxford in the FA Trophy. Was this another qualifying round?
I think it is, yeah.
Qualifying round. So, nice little 4G pitch. Should be alright, a few carpet burns I expect at the end of it. Bar's packed with Hereford fans already, should be good fun. I reckon we'll have a few hundred down here today. Oxford City, right near the bottom I believe of the league above us. I think we're in with a good chance today. We've got a couple of injuries, and maybe some cup tide as well, but I think we'll still pull through. Coming in with an early prediction, I'm thinking it's going to be 2-0 to us. Raised eyebrow from Pete there. What's your prediction?
I think the same, yeah.
Oh, there you go, see. Bri, prediction?
Yeah, I'm going to go 3-1 away win.
Bri's got 3-1.
Confident.
This is 3 confident chaps waiting. We'll get some footage today and see what's going on. The boys haven't been out yet to have a taste of the pitch, but as soon as we do, we get some fun. Alright? Had a sniff around the ground, see what the resource is like here. It's not too bad, it's not a fucking shithole like some of these other places. We've been in the bar, that's quite nice in there. Bogs are alright, although the one I went in was like full of bloody 5-day-old urine. Boys will soon take care of that in there. And food is really good, really cheap, which makes up for the price of the beer in the bar by all accounts. I don't know about you people, I'm impressed so far.
Yeah, it's been pretty good. Yeah, cities around here.
The place is crawling with old Bill, as you would imagine, because normally, or historically rather, whenever we come into Oxfordshire, there's always a bunch of dickheads who want to come and fight the Hereford for some reason. So I'm guessing that's where the coppers are out here in force. Let's hope that doesn't happen today, but just have to see, won't we? Boys out warming up. Bloody Oxford wankers. Boys looking sharp. Right, gonna get some predictions, Pete. We've already got yours as a 2-0. My main man Mike, let's have a prediction of the day.
7-0 Hereford.
Sensible. Mr. Julian Gray.
Win on penalties.
Oh, Dave, prediction for today, please.
Oh, I reckon 2-0.
2-0. 3 2-0s. What was you, Bri? 3-1, wasn't it?
3-1 away win, yeah.
Okay, Mike, want to refresh that?
Yeah, the Robin bastards have stuck the beer price up to £4.50 a pint. It's not outraged.
He's not happy. He's
3-1 Hereford.
He's not happy. Thank you, Mike. He did on 3, I think. Toe in there, well played. Oh, fucking hell. Good tackle, though. Ninja Turtle! Shit, Ninja Turtle! You're just a shit Ninja Turtle!
Ping it in.
No. Oh, fucking hell. I see someone on the fucking end of that.
Pick him, come on.
Lucky. That's better. Boys.
My ball.
Come on, boys. Come on. Report. Oxford City won, Hereford won. Oxford start lively, score from a set piece, it's probably come in. We're straight back into the game, springing offside trap, Mills finish, classic Mills finish. And from that moment on really, it's all Hereford. This fucking Oxford team look like a sack of shit, to be fair. Well, they do. And yeah, shit, all right. And anyway, it's been announced that it's going to be a fight to the death, so could be extra time, could be pens, but we'll have the game wrapped up by then anyway.
Steven's been immense.
He has been immense. Bede's giving me all the instructions there.
Jimmy, get in there! Jimmy, get in there!
Yes! Come on! Come on! Yes, come on!
The line's off, you gotta cut the lights off!
Space there.
Lost, well played! Yes!
Forward, lads!
Play, boys.
Play! Move away, John! Hold, lads! Just back him up, John! Wide, Dara, wide! Jimmy, get back in! Jimmy, get back in!
I guess. Switch! It's a great ball. Worthy of a goal, then.
That's it.
Bede's doing his fucking nut. Right, up. Keeper's going up. Basket. Oh, fucking hell. Goal line clearance.
Well done.
Yes, boys. Come on, Millsy, shoot. Shoot. Fucking hell, ref. He's got to go, ref, surely.
Last one, an opportunity.
Last man. Last man, ref. Come on.
Good, Jack. Done.
Keep hold of it. Keep hold of it. Keep hold of it. Hey, don't snatch.
Runners.
Lads, you gotta go with him!
Ah, fuck, every time.
Good out. Free then, buddy. Simple, isn't it? Yes, boys! Yes! Come on! We'll have that. Well done, Beach! Jigs!
There you go. We won 2-1. Happy days indeed. So O'Shea comes in, flying in with an header, and we win the game. So into the next round. Fair play to these boys. Top game, top game. Good boy. Ah, okay. So, not the most adventurous of Bulls noises yesterday. It was bloody freezing, to be fair, from start to finish. Fucking frozen, solid. Good game. Good performance from the boys. Everyone's worked hard. Beads, Jenks on the side. Beads doing his fucking nut every 5 minutes. Standard. That's why we moved over with the dugout. Wanted to get a bit of Beads on the commentary. He's always got lots to say. But that's how he gets the best out of the boys. Even with injuries and cup ties, you know, we battled on. We were the better side. They were a little bit bigger and a bit more physical. But when it comes to football, you know, we're unbeatable sometimes, especially away from home. 2 years, which puts us in good stead for next week. And we didn't even use any subs yesterday either. So Breen sat on the back looking fucking evil, like he always does. Simo, 4th fastest man in the team apparently, according to Purds. So, you know, he's had a bit of a rest. Be interesting to see what Team Beads puts out next week. I think he had it on the head yesterday. Our back four is solid. I mean, Christ, if Green is sat on the bench, you know, we must be looking solid. Jack Demon, man of the match, I think yesterday. Every ball that came in. But yeah, we look solid. We deserve to win that game yesterday. And quite a nice place as well. So apart from the weather. Maybe if they stay up, maybe we'll be there again next season. Who knows? But we're in the next round of the trophy. Draw tomorrow, I believe, 1 o'clock. So it'd be nice to get a good conference size. But we'll probably get some shit team in Conference North or something. But you know, let's just see how we get on. We stand to have a chance of progressing, absolutely. In this, I don't think we should fear anybody. So thanks for watching again. Next week, proper FA Cup special. I know I said that before, but then I couldn't be asked because I wanted to watch the game. But we'll do it up in Fleetwood because from what I can gather, the place is a fucking dump anyway. Anywhere up that way is, isn't it, usually? Do a proper FA Cup special. Let's see how we get on. We've got nothing to lose when we get up there next week. We've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. And thanks for watching. Thanks for liking it. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for disliking. Always good to see one of those. Probably like the opponent's fans have watched it. So keep disliking. We don't care. Catch you soon for Bulls Noise at number 5.